Hello everyone. Welcome to one more video of Special Biotonic, a channel to make biology subject easy. Students, in this session, we'll talk about double fertilization process in angiosperm. Students, we can define fertilization as the fusion of male gamete with the female gamete to form diploid zygote. To understand double fertilization process in angiosperm, we must know the structure of male gametophyte. So on the screen, we can see the structure of male gametophyte. It mainly consists of empty pollen tube, two male gametes and tube nucleus. Students, in one of the previous video, I talked about the structure of male gametophyte in detail, and I am enclosing the link of this video in I section. Please watch it. Now, this is structure of female gametophyte, which consists of the female gamete, that is egg, surrounded by synergids. In the center of embryo sac, we can see two secondary nuclei, and towards the other end, we can see antipodals. So the female gametophyte, which is also called as embryo sac, is present inside the ovule. Students, in one of the previous video, I talked about the structure of female gametophyte also. I am enclosing the link of this video also in the I section. Please watch it to get the concepts more clear. Students, if you're finding this video interesting, then please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now, the first step in fertilization is the pollination. We know that pollination is the transfer of pollens from anther to stigma. Once the pollens are deposited on the stigma, the pollen tube is formed. Students, in angiosperms, the male gametes are non-motile, that is, they cannot move by themselves. Therefore, the male gametes are carried towards a female gamete through the pollen tube. That process is called siphonogamy. Students, the pollen tube can pass into the embryo sac by various ways. The first type is porogamy, second type is chalazogamy, and third is mesogamy. Now, when the pollen tube is entering into the embryo sac through the micropyle, it is called porogamy. In second case, that is chalazogamy, the pollen tube is passing through the chalaza. In the third case, the pollen tube is passing through integuments. It is called mesogamy. So depending on the entry of pollen tube into the embryo sac, there are three types. Porogamy, that is through micropyle, chalazogamy is through chalaza, and mesogamy is through integuments. So students, I hope you are understanding the terms such as siphonogamy, porogamy, chalazogamy, and mesogamy. Once the pollen tube reaches the embryo sac, the pollen tube passes into the embryo sac through one of the two synergids, and it releases male gametes into the embryo sac. So we can see the release of male gametes into the embryo sac. Subsequently, one male gamete fuses with one female gamete, that is egg, to form the diploid zygote. It is first fertilization. I'll repeat again. First male gamete fuses with one female gamete to form the diploid zygote. This process is called first fertilization. The second male gamete fuses with secondary nuclei to form the triploid structure. It is called triploid primary endosperm nucleus, which is also called as TPEN, that is triploid primary endosperm nucleus. And from this TPN, the endosperm is formed. So this process is called second fertilization. So students, in angiosperm, fertilization is occurring twice. Therefore, this process is called double fertilization. Especially during the second fertilization, three nuclei as such are fusing. During the second fertilization, three nuclei as such are fusing. Therefore, this process is called triple fusion. So students, in angiosperm, During the sexual reproduction, there's a double fertilization and triple fusion. In the double fertilization, the first fertilization takes place with the fusion of male gamete with a female gamete. In the second fertilization, the second male gamete fuses with the secondary nuclear to form TPN. So this is what double fertilization. And especially during the second fertilization, three nuclei are as such fusing. Therefore, it is called triple fusion. So students, I hope you are clear with the concept of double fertilization and triple fusion in angiosperms. Even we talked about the terms such as siphonogamy, porogamy, chalazogamy, mesogamy. So students, try to understand and remember these terms. I hope you are clear with all these concepts. So stay home, stay safe. Thank you.